Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make some very adorable felt owls that you could use as decor for this autumn season. You will need felt sheets in different colors, wooden buttons, natural raffia, polyester or cotton filling, glue, needle and thread, and scissors. The first thing we're going to put together are the eyes. Cut the raffia into small pieces about 1 inch in length. Next, place small beads of glue on the back of the wooden buttons and attach the raffia pieces so that they fan out around the button. Then attach 2 black beads with a flat back at the center of each button. Set these aside to let dry while you work on the body of the owl. For the next step, we're going to trace and cut an owl shape out of the light brown felt, leaving about 1 centimeter of extra space around the owl. If you need a stencil for this and other shapes, I will leave a link to them below. Next, trace and cut a second owl shape. Afterwards, we're going to trace the same shape on the cutouts. This will serve as a guide for when we sew the 2 pieces together. For this step, you can either sew the 2 owl cutouts together as said before, or use felt glue around the edges. When you do this, make sure that the stitches are close together and that an opening remains at the bottom of the owl. Now turn the owl completely inside out. Next, fill up the owl with the filling and afterwards sew the opening close. Now we're going to attach the eyes to the owl. Trace and cut 2 wings out of the darker brown felt. Then attach them to the sides of the owl. Using the same dark brown felt, cut out 2 feet for the owl. They should be triangular in shape with 3 small triangles for toes. The next step is to make a little hat for the owl. First, cut a half circle about 4 inches in length from the burgundy felt. Then fold the felt into a cone shape and glue together. Then finish rounding the bottom of the cone and cut off the tip. Next, place the cone at the center of a small piece of the same felt and cut around it to create a brim about 1 centimeter wide. You should end up with a circular shape. Now fold the circle in half and cut a small slit at the center, making sure not to cut all the way through. Then fold the other way and make another slit. To finish the hat, first place a small amount of glue at the tip and attach some pieces of raffia to it. Next, place dots of glue on each section of the X at the center of the hat brim. Place the cone over the brim and press down each section to attach the brim to the hat.